So you're a photographer, you're a videographer, you whatever it is, you got that camera in your hand. You know, you've become the generalist, right? You've been shooting everything and anything out there. Your niche defines what you're good at, what you're really good at, and what you're really passionate about. See, now photography itself is kind of like an ancillary type of skill set to have. So say for instance, take Casey Neistat. There's this thing that he does in his vlogs where it's like he skateboards everywhere, you know, and he's passionate about that. He's passionate about filmmaking. He's passionate about his family, and he's just passionate about life. So he vlogs that every single day. There are a lot of photographers out there, a lot of sports photographers who really enjoy sports, and this is what they do. They know sports. They know the NFL. They know the NBA. I mean, and they're so in tune to it, it becomes second nature. They're so passionate about the sport or any sports that they cover. They are passionate about whatever it is that they're doing, and that continues to drive them and help them be successful. They have a sixth sense of, in addition to being a great photographers and filmmakers, they have a great sixth sense of knowing what to look for, waiting for those right moments, and also being able to capture that particular moment when it's, you know, at its most critical. For you, what is it about you that gets you up in the morning, aside from picking your camera up? Is it drinking coffee? You know, if you're, you know, into traveling, if that's something that you're into, take your camera with you and just start taking pictures. Take pictures of anything. If you like people and you enjoy talking to people, take pictures of people, take videos of people, and have conversations with them. If you like surfing, I mean, I can go through a whole bunch of things. If you love surfing, go out to the beach, find surfers, shoot them. I mean, that's what I did. I love the beach. The beach is like my second home. I love going to the beach, and I love taking my camera down to the beach. I mean, you never know what you're gonna find, and you never know who you're gonna bump into. I mean, if you look back at like one of my vlogs, my last couple episodes, I met these two awesome strippers. I met these two awesome surfers, and I didn't know that they were surfers, and I wound up shooting them. And I asked them, hey, you know, I had a conversation with them and asked them if they can shoot. They were like, yeah, sure, let's go. It's a surfer thing. I mean, people do that. Oh, and another thing that I love to do is I like to shoot food. I enjoy cooking. I really enjoy cooking so much. As a matter of fact, let's go to the video where I am throwing down in the kitchen. Alright folks, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was something that I really enjoyed. I'm going to tell you, when I began editing this video, and I was getting so hungry. Even though I ate the burger, I was getting like so hungry. Whatever you're most passionate about, apply your camera to it. Apply your camera skills to it. You never know what kind of results you're going to get. So find your niche. Find the thing that you are the most passionate about. Get out there and shoot every day. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Smash that subscribe button if that's something that you're into. And I'm going to talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.